When we set out in 2001, we wanted to build a virtual prepaid distribution platform. In other words, to make it simple, we wanted to be the highway. We wanted to be the virtual highway, and we wanted to be the toll gate that collects a switch fee, a tick fee, a product fee from a number of different products that go through our virtual highway. When we started in 2001, when you thought of prepaid, it was absolutely synonymous with telco. So everyone thought prepaid telcos, prepaid telcos. Blue Label was their vision was different. We wanted to build a prepaid generic platform. What that meant in a nutshell was quite simply this. We would build it around telcos because that's where the flavor of the month was and that's where everything was coming from. But if our vision was true that we could build this complete prepaid distribution network, sink the entire cost of it into the telco space, well then one day if our vision came true that more and more prepaid products came about, well then all you do is you have one hardware device with multiple products to one merchant, one wallet. And more products could just overlap. And that's what Blue Label does. We build this extremely vast virtual distribution network through different hardware devices because actually we're hardware agnostic. We don't care what the front end looks like. It could be a POS machine, it could be a vending machine, it could be a touch screen, it could be an interface into the likes of, say, a Pick and Pay and then download into all their till points. We're really generic. We don't care. We'll integrate into anything. What we want to do is the virtual technology that sits behind the delivery to your front end. Therefore, not limiting you as the merchant to what you have to see what you can sell. We'll make sure you can have whatever you want and, of course, whatever product. Why is this powerful? Because 10 years ago, if you were, for argument's sake, a Checkers, you had more buying power than a little spaza shop, so you could obviously hold more and more products than a spaza shop could, obviously, as the size of what you were. In our world, it's all virtually, we hold all the stock. All you've got is a little hardware device. So today, a spaza shop or Shabin will have, in our world, as many products as a Checkers does. So how does a little spaza shop with 1/100th or 1,000th of the money of a Pick and Pay or Checkers hold the same products? We hold it. They become a cash collector. They draw down only on sale, collect the cash and pay us accordingly. Therefore opening up the independent market entirely to grow as if they were in the rural, urban blue chip clients. Today, and very importantly, only 14% of our total business is made up in the urban world of the blue chip clients. 86% of our total business is what we call independent mom and pop rural, made up of hundreds of thousands of independent merchants. That's the power of the distribution of Blue Label. And lastly, just to tell you how we make our money simply, it's split into 3 different pillars. One we call the commodity. It's the actual trading of the hard product. Buy in a telco's product, sell it. The second part, and that by the way makes up 43% of our total profits. The next part is annuity. You know, we've sold starter packs, we have value-added services, everything that has previously been sold that just creates annuity for us, like an insurance policy that keeps on growing day on day, month on month, year on year. That now makes up 47% of our total profits. And the last one, approximately, is 10%, which is interest received. Why is this all important? Is 5 years ago, interest received made up 50% of what we made. Today it only makes up 8% to be exact. Why is that important? We've worked out how to use our cash better, how to do bulk buying, how to do settlement discounts. So really moving in the right direction, moving in the commodity of buying and selling the product, annuity, making sure that we keep on gaining more and more products that can bring us in annuity, and of course using our cash as best as possible so it doesn't become lazy in our bank account.